Hi, I'm Ginny from Body Enhancing Fitness. Today I'm going to teach you how to do an elbow plank. An elbow plank is ideal for anyone who has wrist issues. The weight can now be placed on your elbows instead of your hands. When you place your arms down, make sure that your forearms are facing forward with each elbow lined up underneath your shoulder. You're going to get down on the ground in a tabletop position by placing your elbows on the ground and lifting your body weight onto your toes, making sure that your back is flat and straight enough that you can place a book on top. If you feel that your abs are starting to sink, push your belly button up towards the sky. Make sure that your head is facing down to align your spine. Hold this position for the allotted amount of time. When you're done, shift your weight to your knees and walk back up with your hands. And that's an elbow plank.